Introducing the 2024 Volvo Xc90 T8 PHEV Plus Dark AWD, the pinnacle of luxury and performance. This sleek 5-door estate in black boasts a powerful 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid engine, paired with automatic transmission for a smooth drive. Loaded with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, rear armrest, multiple airbags, collision alert, lane departure warning, and more. The interior offers third-row seating, cup holders, and luxurious trim for a premium driving experience. Stylish roof rails, spoiler, and sunroof add to the overall appeal. Additionally, this vehicle includes a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in style and confidence with the 2024 Volvo XC90 T8 PHEV Plus Dark AWD.